Students, I feel, when they get into middle school, really don't have a whole lot of number sense. They'd struggled, and anytime that we do anything with fractions or decimals or integers, it was a type of response, and so I knew I wanted something that would help my students become more comfortable with numbers.
So my goals for my students were to start trying to think of more and more strategies and to challenge themselves to come up with new and creative ways to solve problems so that then they could tackle the harder ones and then feel that success. They have lived up to that hope by getting really excited about doing the number talks, and they really have been challenging themselves to try to come up with various methods to solve problems instead of just sticking to one that has always worked for them and staying with that one over and over.
Last year it got a little bit better, but this year there is math talk all over my room, and that makes me so proud.
The ability to fluently decompose and recompose numbers in multiple scenarios, and a great amount of growth in their ability to verbalize what they're thinking about mathematics.
The student engagement has really also, using number talks has just become a lot more deep because it's built this environment with the students of everybody has something to offer, all of their ideas and responses are valued.
With my class of 24, I've had 22 that have been willing to share a strategy. So that was one of my biggest challenges, though, is overcoming the fact that some might never share, or it just might take longer for some students than others.
Some of the challenges that I've encountered with the number talks practices is to decide the level and the pace of the problems, because my kids are in the levels between first grade and about seventh grade. However, we're still doing like a medium level practices. They all still stay engaged because they like the practices. They enjoy it.
If third and fourth graders were learning some of the strategies that my students are now learning in eighth grade, how powerful would that be when it comes to really using the distributive property in algebra? How powerful would that be about multiplying fractions and what 1/3 of 2/3 is? And it's breaking apart these numbers and then putting them back together and being able to see that in a flexible way that is the powerful thing, and that really helps.
I have noticed how my kids get empowered. They have strategies that help them explore different solutions to get to the answer. They know that if they don't have the correct answer, it's still okay. They're still learning. So I really think number talks practices is worth a try.
Try it. It has really, really opened up avenues for my students.